Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. Today I'm gonna be sharing a healthy and delicious carrot cake recipe. This cake is eggless, vegan, and like all other recipes of mine, it's refined sugar free and made with all wholesome ingredients. This carrot cake tastes amazing as is, but this time I have topped it up with my 4-ingredient healthy chocolate frosting, which is easy to whip up and it boosts the flavor and taste of this carrot cake even more. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll soak the cashews for our chocolate frosting. We'll soak half cup of cashews in hot water for around 30 minutes or until they turn soft. Now into a bowl, we'll add 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. We'll add jaggery powder for the sweetness and give it a good whisk. Now we'll add half cup of milk. I'm using soy, feel free to add any milk of your choice. We'll add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons powdered flax seeds, which you can easily make at home by grinding the flax seeds into a fine powder. We'll give it a quick mix and keep it aside. Now for the dry ingredients, we'll add 1 cup whole wheat flour in another bowl. We'll add in some salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon ginger powder and mix it well. Now we'll add our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. We'll also add half cup of grated carrots and a 1/4 cup of raisins. We are going to mix it gently and make sure not to overmix. And the cake batter is ready. At this stage, we are going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we'll transfer the cake batter into a parchment paper lined baking pan. And we are going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Until the cake is baking, we'll prepare the frosting. So into a food processor or blender, we'll add our soaked and drained cashews. Now we'll add half cup of seedless dates. We'll also add some unsweetened cocoa powder and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We are going to blend this into a smooth paste. And the 4-ingredient healthy chocolate frosting is ready. It's been 45 minutes, let's check on the cake. Make sure to insert a toothpick or a knife. If it comes out clean, that means the cake is ready. If it doesn't, put it back in the oven to bake for 5 more minutes. The cake is ready, we are going to let this cool for some time. And it's time to apply the frosting. As you can see, this chocolate frosting is super easy to make and it's so tasty that you can literally have it as is. And also, it complements the flavor of the spiced carrot cake perfectly. Now we are going to top it up with some chopped nuts. Feel free to add any nuts of your choice. And the healthy and tasty carrot cake is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try this carrot cake with healthy chocolate frosting and let me know in the comment section below. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon and keep watching for such wholesome and delicious recipes from Taboo Tinku Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.